Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, Ant Intelligence. First 1 to 5 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, ants use the same channels of communication as humans do. जिस चैनल से हम बात करते हैं, चींटियां भी वही बातचीत के चैनल्स का इस्तेमाल करती हैं. Ants store food, repel attackers and use chemical signals to contact one another in case of attack. Such chemical communication can be compared to the human use of visual and auditory channels. Ants use करती हैं chemical signals और humans use करते हैं visual and auditory channels, तो ये दोनों different है, इसलिए इसका आंसर होगा false. Next question is, city life is one factor that encourages the development of intelligence. Intelligence development के लिए city life भी एक कारण है. The evidence suggests that ants have lived in urban settings for close on 100 million years, developing and maintaining underground cities of specialized chambers and tunnels. Ants urban यानी city में रहकर underground chambers and tunnels बनाए. तो इसका आंसर true होगा. Next question is not given. Next to that is, some ants can find their way by making calculations based on distance and position. कुछ ants distance and position के आधार पर calculate करके अपना रास्ता ढूंढ सकती हैं. Research conducted at Oxford, Sussex and Zurich universities has shown that when desert ants return from a foraging trip, they navigate by integrating bearings and distances, which they continuously update in their heads. They combine the evidence of visual landmarks with a mental library of local directions, all within a framework which is consulted and updated. Same statement होने से ये आंसर true होगा. Next question is, in one experiment, foraging teams were able to use their sense of smell to find food. एक experiment में foraging team ने sense of smell से अपना भोजन तलाश किया. Foraging team का मतलब होता है जो food search करता है. Often the foragers proceeded to the exact spot in the maze where the food had been. Elaborate precautions were taken to prevent the foraging team using odor clues. Foraging team के odor clues को मतलब sense of smell को रोकने का इंतजाम किया था, फिर भी वो exact वहाँ पर पहुँच गई जहाँ पर food available था. तो इसका आंसर false होगा. Next question is not given. Next 7 to 13 questions are to complete the summary by using the words from given box. तो इस तरह के question types में synonym भी हो सकते हैं. First, ants have sophisticated methods of farming, including herding livestock and growing crops, which are in many ways similar to those used in human agriculture. The ants cultivate a large number of different species of edible fungi which convert dash into a form which they can digest. Ants different species of edible fungi को cultivate करती हैं जो कि किसी चीज़ को ऐसे convert कर देते हैं कि वो आसानी से हजम हो जाए. Ants can't digest the cellulose in leaves, but some fungi can. The ants therefore cultivate these fungi in their nests, bringing them leaves feed on. तो जो fungi ants cultivate करते हैं, वो cellulose को चींटियों के खाने लायक बना देते हैं, क्योंकि चिंटियाँ cellulose को digest नहीं कर सकती. तो इसका आंसर होगा cellulose. Next question is, they use their own natural dash as weed killers. वो weed killers के नाम पर अपना natural use करती हैं. Farmers ants secrete antibiotics to control other fungi that might actually as weeds. Secrete, तो इसका आंसर होगा secretions. Next question is and also use unwanted materials as dash. And spread waste to fertilize the crops. Unwanted materials को crops के fertilization के लिए use करते हैं. तो इसका आंसर होगा fertilizer. Next question is, genetic analysis shows they constantly upgrade these fungi by developing new species and by dash species with neighboring ant colonies. वे new species and dash species को develop करके इन fungi को लगातार upgrade करते हैं. DNA analysis of the fungi suggests that the ants improve or modify the fungi by regularly swapping and sharing. तो sharing का synonym है exchanging. That is the answer of this question. Next question is in fact, The farming methods of ants could be said to be more advanced than human agribusiness, since they use dash method. ह्यूमन एग्रीबिजनेस से एंट्स का फार्मिंग मेथड ज़्यादा एडवांस है क्योंकि वो ये मेथड यूज़ करते हैं. The farming methods of ants are at least sustainable. Sustainable is the answer. Next question is, they do not affect the dash. They do not ruin environment. Environment is the answer. Next question is, and do not waste dash. They do not ruin environment or use enormous amount of energy. और नहीं ज़्यादा energy use करते हैं. तो इस question का answer है energy. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.